How to disable Microsoft Family features. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This key combination opens up the Task Manager on your computer. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Services tab at the top. Scroll through the list of services until you find one called WPC-SVC. Right-click on WPC-SVC and select Stop. If it's already stopped, no worries, just move on to the next step. Right-click on WPC-SVC again, but this time select Open Services. This will open up a new window. In the Services window, find and click any service and type Parental on your keyboard. This will quickly take you to Parental Controls in the list. Double-click on Parental Controls or right-click and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Startup Type drop-down menu. Select Disabled from the options. Click on Apply, then OK to confirm the changes you've made. Close all the windows you've opened throughout this process. Congratulations! You've now disabled Microsoft Family features on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.